Hi there everyone. Today we are going to demonstrate our two models, our smart city and air purification models. Let's focus on our energy efficient smart city. We have wireless car charger, solar rooftop, smart dustbin, and automatic street light working by a solar panel. Smart cities use Smart cities use renewable energy, electric efficiency. They reduce dependency on fossil fuels, cutting down carbon harmful gases. As a result, air pollution decreased, but still, we all notice that smart electricity has been not developed in all over the world. Therefore, air pollution has been a problem to survive. Therefore, we have developed our air purification model. This model demonstrates how air pollution can be purified by a simple mechanical and chemical setup. Air pollution is the presence of harmful substances such as gases, dust, smoke, and tiny particles in the air we breathe. These pollutants come from vehicles, factories. Breathing polluted air can cause health problems like coughing, asthma, and lung diseases, and it can also damage the environment by reducing visibility, harming crops, and contributing to global warming.
To overcome this problem, we have developed air pollution control model. In this model, a blower is used to simulate the gentle movement of polluted air through the atmosphere. Then, a filtering section where dirty air passes through, such as a layer of mesh or charcoal. Finally, the output is cleaner air can see how smoke reduces or disappears after the filter.
Now let us focus on science behind it. Filtration of particulates. Dust soot are trapped by filters. Absorption. Activated charcoal can absorb gases or soluble pollutants. Ventilation. Introducing fresh air or cleaning mechanisms to reduce concentration of pollutants. Importance of airflow. Ensuring air moves through the system so that filtering is effective.
Even industries also focus on air pollution control. Industrial scrubbers clean factory smoke by spraying water on chemicals that trap harmful gases and dust. Air purifiers pull the dirty air and filter out pollutant, releasing clean air back into the room. Trees naturally absorb the carbon dioxide, release oxygen, and trap dust, making the air fresh and pure.
Air pollution control devices operated on physical, chemical, and electrostatic principles to eliminate harmful gases and particulate matter from combined air. Removal of carbon monoxide. Machines use catalytic converters that contain metals like platinum, palladium, and rhodium. This catalyst accelerates oxidation reaction. Here, carbon monoxide plus oxygen are reacting and they are producing harmless carbon dioxide.
Elimination of sulfur dioxide. Wet scrubbers are commonly used for this purpose.
In this process, sulfur dioxide gas is absorbed by an alkaline solution, calcium hydroxide. This chemical reaction gives calcium sulfide, which is a non-toxic compound. With the byproduct, this can be removed later. Through oxidation, absorption, electrostatic attraction, and adsorption, air pollution control machines scientifically transform or trap harmful pollutants like carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and particulate matter, thus restoring air quality and protecting the environment.
Air pollution controlled by planting trees, using dust covers, reducing burning of waste. Air is important for our life. Cleaning it improves health and environment. This model shows how simple engineering awareness can bring change.